Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we know the power input can be equal to m dot times h2 minus h1. M dot is the mass flow rate of the steam, h2 is the final enthalpy, and h1 is the initial enthalpy. So we know the mass flow rate is given as 1.3 kilogram per second. And if you take a look at the table of the superheated water at the back of the book, so at pressure 0.2 megapascal and temperature 150 degrees Celsius, the enthalpy is equal to 2,769.1 kilojoule per kilogram. And then at 2.5 megapascal and 250 degrees Celsius, the enthalpy is equal to 2,880.9 kilojoule per kilogram. So now if we plug in back to the equation, we have the power input is equal to 1.30 kilogram per second, and then times 2,880.9 kilojoule per kilogram minus 2,769.1 kilojoule per kilogram. And this will give us the power input is about 145.3 kilowatts. And if you take a look at the choices, the closest answer to the answer I just got is A. So choice A is the correct answer for this one.